Understanding a hell of a racket, unpacking the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel the mysteries behind phrases, idioms, and expressions. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a hell of a racket. This expression is rich in imagery and has a vibrant history. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. At first glance, a hell of a racket might conjure images of chaos or noise, and you wouldn't be wrong. This phrase is used to describe a very loud and disturbing noise. But there's more to it than just volume. It often carries a connotation of being unnecessary or unpleasant noise. Think of trying to concentrate while there's construction work happening outside your window. That's a hell of a racket. Understanding where phrases come from can help us appreciate and use them more effectively. The word, racket, in this context dates back to the late 16th century, originally meaning uproar or disturbance. Over time, its usage expanded to include the specific sense of loud, disruptive noise. The addition of a hell of a as an intensifier gives the phrase its modern flair, emphasizing the extreme nature of the noise. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about using it in conversation. A hell of a racket is a versatile phrase, suitable for both casual and semi-formal contexts. However, it's important to remember that it conveys a strong negative emotion about the noise. Here are a few examples. Describing a situation: I couldn't sleep at all last night. There was a hell of a racket coming from the neighbor's party. Expressing frustration: can you hear that? What a hell of a racket. How is anyone supposed to work with that going on? Recalling an experience: last time we were at that restaurant, there was a hell of a racket from the kitchen. It really ruined the mood. Like many expressions in English, a hell of a racket can be modified for different tones or meanings. Some variations include quite a racket, a less intense way of commenting on the noise. Making a racket. This focuses on the action of producing noise rather than the noise itself. What a racket! An exclamation that can express either annoyance at the noise or amazement at a situation, depending on the context. Understanding phrases like, a hell of a racket, not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the nuances of the English language. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and uses of this colorful expression. Remember, language is a living, breathing thing, and phrases like these add flavor and depth to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to make a hell of a racket with your English learning journey.